I have a 2,259 calorie today. I'm supposed to be on a cut. And they always talk about calorie in, calorie out. Not that simple, but then again it is. If I sounded confusing, more confusing than the Baki universe, then you need to stay for this video because I'm here to break down calorie counting, what you can do to become shredded and pump for your next body beach workout, gym bro, going to the beach, talking to girl, body look, Superman, Batman style, beach style, physique. I'm gonna be telling you the easiest way how to count your calories. Best way to count your calories is just looking it up yourself. Go on Google. If you cook a piece of meat, look at the calories that meat has. Go into Google and type in, yo, Google, how many calories is this meat now that I cook it? It should be less calorie versus when it was raw. Boy, what if you're in a rush or something like that? You have to remember to just eat 3 meals a day. 3 meals a day, you are in a rush and you do not have time to count your calories. Each one of those meals, you just take the palm of your hand and you be like, okay, this is the amount of beef or chicken or steak I'm going to have for protein. Boom. You take like a small cup, hand of rice, and you like, okay, this is the amount of carbs that I'm gonna be having throughout the day with my steak. Boom. Veggies, because you need your fiber. Just take a fist, a fist of broccoli, the size of your fist, and you're like a fist of broccoli while taking a cup of cooked rice and a handful of steak, chicken, or beef. That is my meal for the early in the morning to the afternoon to the evening. So I know what I have. Another thing that can help you with calorie counting is eating the same food week by week because you know how many calories that food is. If you eat chicken and rice with broccoli every day for a week, you already know how many calories you're eating right there. Matter of fact, you get so good with it, you may not even have to count your calories after that. Also need to know, hey, how much weightlifting can I do to burn as many calories? You guys an example. I took to Google and I asked if I did an ab workout for 30 minutes straight, how many calories would I burn? Google gave me the number of 90 to 200 calories would be burned in 30 minutes of doing the ab workout. So weightlifting can burn fat and can burn calories and can burn calories and fat after the workout. That's one thing why we build muscle and do cardio at the same time, because we want to burn the fat and calorie afterwards. But how does fat loss work? Well, it's by how you breathe. Yes, sweating or peeing a lot or pooping a lot, yeah, that's the way to burn fat. But the sweating is more like water weight. The peeing is more other things. The pooping is basically mean your bowel movements is okay. But the real way of fat loss is fat get burned up by breathing. Yeah, never knew that myself either. And I'm like, I'm a mouth breather anyway, so I must be burning a bunch of calories right about now. So if you're constantly active, because your body will burn calories or fat while you're not even active. That's why we eat the healthy meal. Eat the healthy meal of protein can burn 9 calories. Like your food you eat can literally burn the calories that you got. That's why I want you guys to eat chicken, steak, or beef. If you guys want a little bit of butter in it, I say just a little bit, like around 40 to 30 calories of butter to get that fat. And the rice or the potato for the carbs, and veggies. It can be your broccoli or it can be your Brussels sprouts. Whatever way it is, however make you feel comfortable, you have to stay consistent and write down what you are eating throughout the day. Well, write down what meal you ate throughout the day. That's all it is. Calorie counting can be so easy. And that they do it again. I want you to repeat this step for at least 150 days. And y'all let me know in the comments. Can you guys actually do that challenge? If so, please let me know. See you guys in my next video.